As you prepare to teach the age of exploration, it helps to understand why European nations began crossing the Atlantic in the first place. Beginning in the late 1400s, European powers sought faster and less expensive routes to Asia. Valuable goods such as spices, silk, and porcelain were in high demand, and monarchs hoped direct trade routes would increase trade and bring wealth to their nations. A major turning point came in 1492 when Christopher Columbus, sailing for Spain, reached the Americas while searching for the Northwest Passage trade route to Asia. Although Columbus never reached Asia, his voyages opened the door to widespread European exploration and colonization of the Americas. While access to trade was the initial goal, exploration soon became driven by what historians call the three Gs: God, gold, and glory. European nations sought to spread Christianity, acquire wealth, and increase their power and prestige. Many governments also embraced mercantilism, the belief that colonies could provide raw materials and markets for manufactured goods, strengthening a nation's economy and influence. Spain, France, and England shared these political, economic, religious, and social motivations, but each developed distinct priorities. Following Columbus's voyages, Spain established a vast empire throughout the Americas during the 1500s. In North America, Spain's influence was concentrated in regions that are now Mexico, California, Nevada, Arizona, New Mexico, Texas, and Florida. Spanish conquistadors searched for precious metals and established Catholic missions to spread Christianity. Colonization also exposed indigenous peoples to disease, enslavement, and the loss of culture. France entered the age of exploration in the early 1500s. In 1534, Jacques Cartier explored the St. Lawrence River region, helping France establish a presence in Central and Northeastern North America. Rather than building large agricultural settlements, France focused on the fur trade and developed relationships with indigenous groups. England's colonization efforts accelerated in the early 1600s. In 1607, Jamestown became England's first permanent settlement in North America along the East Coast. English motivations included political competition, economic opportunity, religious freedom, and social advancement. Religious groups such as the Pilgrims arrived in 1620, followed by the Puritans in 1630. Understanding these motivations helps students identify why England, Spain, and France explored and colonized North America. Each country had different economic, religious, political, and social reasons that shaped their actions and decisions in the New World.